What is new in the 5th version of the HBSA? So as you know, the 4th version, we completely revamped it. Every single PDF, and this was only in the summer of last year, every single PDF was updated, every single video was reshot, everything in the course was polished. In the 5th version, we actually added some really exciting things, okay? Basically, I have added sections to help you take what you've learned from the course and apply it to your own website. So for example, there is a really chunky Google SEO video where I teach you the step-by-step process to get your website ranking within Google. There is also a step-by-step process of how to open up your own website, how to create the pages. I've given you templates. I've given you a list of all the pages that you need. I've even broken down pricing bit by bit and the pros and cons of each platform to use for your own website. So the short answer is the HBSA is now the complete roadmap that you need to get from 0 to consistent 5-figure months on Etsy, but also on your own website. And that, my friends, is the newest and 5th version of the HBSA.